As soon as Donald Trump jumped out to a 10 to 12 point lead nationally, the media were given their marching orders by the Clinton campaign to do something about it. And something they did. First, they recalibrated how the polls were being done in order to show Hillary Clinton winning. Then, they spread rumors of inner strife and turmoil inside the Trump campaign, even suggesting that he was going to drop out of the race. Trump is not going to drop out at this time or any time, and right now is thumping Hillary Clinton in the race for the presidency. Now you know why Donald Trump calls them the dishonest media. This has been a Josh Bernstein News Minute. I'm Josh Bernstein, and you're up to date.